Each new lesson introduces something new almost every page. I'm only going to go over the new material with you and hope that you'll practice and repeat all the lesson material on each page, because the trick to becoming a good player is just to practice until you don't have to think too much and you can just look at the notes and out they come. On the second page we introduce a duet. Now a duet is when two people play not the same part. They may harmonize, they may be different rhythms. In this case it's a fairly simple approach. What I'd like to do is play both lines by giving you preparatory beats. You can either play that line with me or play the other part of the duet. You can even find some other bass clef instrument like a trombone or a tuba, string bass, or maybe another bassoon player to play along with you when you're not listening to this. Here we go. I'm going to play the first line of the duet at the bottom of lesson 2. 1, 2, ready, play. Now I'm going to play the second part, and you can feel free to play the first part. 1, 2, ready, play.